Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I purchased this Electromin battery in the month of October, 27th October 2023. And I paid a quite good amount. It was 355 reals. Other batteries with other brands were coming in 250 or something like this. But every battery goes finished in 1 year. So this one had the warranty of 15 months. I purchased this, and after 10 months, that is in August, it is stopped starting, and I had to change it. I quickly went to Petromin, and they changed it. And in October it was gone. November, August, September, October, November. In the mid of November, I had a problem, and I gone again to Petromin. They said no, your warranty is void. Even my first warranty that I purchased is still available till January 2024, but they are not paying me that. So advice is don't get this Electromin battery. Other than that, Petromin is good, but for this battery warranty, I don't agree. I have written them, but they have not responded to any of my complaint. Okay, so advice is not to use this battery. Jazakumullah khair. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.